like nowadays, we don't have time to write letters, emails, maybe a text. Here's my letter to you. Remember that first letter you wrote to me? Said open your heart, now you're so fancy free. That's right. Always be stamped in my own memory, like a dream full of color, and you brought hope to me. For real. My appetite for you is so ferocious. Sweet smell detail like a bunch of roses. Naughty as hell, but you're pure like a lotus. Embrace me, cause my love is a double dose. Sincerely, Roger. Tacit, that means shy, but in every other facet, make me crazy, baby, with your use of magic. Make space in your heart bigger than this plan, For me, yeah, just for me. Not everyone finds that, it's a luxury. My player days behind me, cause you're loving me. Don't be thinking about being alone, just come to me. Love, Roger. Actions like fractions, we a part of the whole. You're my angel, my journey, my start and my goal. Even miles away, I'm not far and you know. In the desert, you're my water for real. My ice cube in the heat-filled depths of hell. Sorry for the long text, but what the hell? Lastly, keep you happy, I won't